What's up, y'all? We out here at the Sound of Tri-State. They got a show out here in Wilmington, motorcycle show. We're gonna come out here and see what some of these bikes looking like. We're gonna have music going on in the background. We probably gonna just go ahead and let this joint rock out so we can see the bikes, hear the music. If they have some bikes making noises, we want some of that going on too. So let's check this joint out, man. What's up, champ? All right. Crystal flake on that, huh?
Oh yeah.
30 seconds, 30 seconds.
Nice, man, nice.
I see you out there. Hold up, Chuck. I'm out.
Got the lights on this joint around the wheels. Victory.
10 seconds.
Got a lot of bikes out here.
It's time.
Bikes. It's got the sound competition going on over there Boulevard. This is a Suzuki Boulevard, man. 109 Joe. Oh, this is the bike we saw last week.
Hey.
What's up, big guy?
Yo, what's
going on? How you
Where the
making
judges
it?
at?
Chilling.
Where are the rest of my judges at? Oh my. King Sciatic wins. That's right, my man right here. He wins. Damn right. He bought the house. He bought the whole house. We're gonna call sprint bikes at this time.
Damn. The bars on that. Woo-hoo. I like this one. Yeah, man. Oh, damn. Ooh.
We calling the sport bikes. He said back at you. Back at you.
Oh, snap. Oh, Oh, that's a classic. You see, honey, I'm going fishing and on the bike, right? That's crazy.
Bring all your hobbies together.
Yep. Wow, man, that's nice. Screaming Eagle kit.
Thirty seconds.
What year is this?
20.
Y'all be riding too. I see all the bug juice.
Yeah, we did
Or coming from deep down in Delaware, the bugs start coming out. We get on Route 1 and that's where you at down there, right? With a 15 and the
probably $5,000 since he's even done a fucking bike ride.
Keep going.
$5,000.
Probably closer to 10.
Wow. Wow. I like this army green color too.
Yeah, that trike line's tight.
Yeah. What year is this one? 18. Changed the bars or they came on there?
It's like that.
Yeah.
Everything's
The way it was? Okay. Got that 114 on it.
Can you see that? I see what am I messing with? Oh, yeah, you're missing a floorboard or highway.
Oh, snap.
Where'd it go? Dude, you were behind me. How could I possibly hear it?
Wow. Fat boy.
Hit up Rommel.
Victory.
10 seconds. All right, that's time. Time. We're gonna turn it over to our judges. What we got, judges? It looks like it's Bama. Bama's in this corner here. Top tier. All right. Next we have the 3-wheel. We got 3-wheel next. Can I get all my 3 wheels?
Carbon fiber all over here. It ain't carbon. It ain't carbon. I see that.
Next we got the 3-wheel.
C7 carbon out.
Gonna clear out right here. Watch your back, man. All right. You spike it. I got one left. I want to keep it. This thing look like one of those little cars. You know what I mean? That you see in the movies that go underneath the tractor trailers. It's nice.
That 360 on there, baby.
Different, but nice.
Get that footage, right?
He's coming in confident like that. He's
Yes,
saying
sir.
first.
What's up, my guy? All right. How you? But you been here since 1?
Nah, I was in Philly at another show with Roosevelt.
Oh, okay. Where at?
South Broad Street, GQ show.
Okay. Was it nice?
It was real good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
That's my show in August 24th.
That's my car. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. All right, babe. Good seeing you again.
You too, bro.
All right.
seconds, 30 seconds. That's time. All right. Do you know what you're getting yourself into, young man? You was talking real heavy.
Hello, with everybody for you. Àdìjọ ṣe ṣe pẹ̀lẹ́ o, mo ti sọ fún un tẹ́lẹ̀ o. Bẹ́lẹ̀ o, deliver like I get bẹ́lẹ̀ o. Dem say I dey go sẹ́lẹ̀ o, dem say I dey go sẹ́lẹ̀ o. Too fortunate, I go make you jó dáadáa. Too sincere, tell it to get lucky. Yeah, I can't go, I'm working hard.
And that's time right there. Ew. This competition here, where's my judges at? Looking for my judges. All right. Would you want another one? What you got? Can we turn that down in the back, please? Whenever you're ready.
My headphones are not loud enough.
Alright, Dre, spit up something. How's that?
Yeah, let's do this. Teasing the groove, getting back on the move. It's the feeling to kill, cause I got nothing to lose. I'm at the top of the key, everyone's looking at me. And oh, how they sing. It's wanting nothing but fun, cause he's taking it none. And I'm here in the flesh to show how it's to be done. So take your stickies way up until your ears start to pop. And if your mom starts beefing, say, Mom, do the rock. Hop on the dance floor, dance to the music. Toe slam to my jam, you can do it. Alright, rhymes into the world, I'm getting it. That's the way I'm living. Leather or lace, as I step into place.
Call it how it is. Hendrix. I promise you, slime, every bit. Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet.
30 seconds.
My heart up when the rest of me is down. You and charming, even when you're not around. A mí es lo riba 60, riba por mi mente quieta. Mi corazón está llena, otra cinta diferencia.
Baby, baby, hey, holla if you like your down low, say watching some television. Shouty, I'm never slipping. Got the Beretta and vision, and ready to pop the flipping, ready to get the tripping, ready to show these folks a celebrity. Just like with them stolen out.
What's up, champ?
Alright, where my judges at? Where my judges? Sound digital it is. Once we find out who our winners is, we're going to keep the announcements rolling and the prizes given out. So I'm waiting to hear the word. We don't have no drum roll. Alright, so we're going to call out the trophies. I feel like that was parts.
All right, man, we out of here like last year. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video, to the channel, and appreciate you guys for watching. I'll at you later. Peace.
Caught in the crossfire.
Let me see your war face.